Greetings, cherished viewers. Today, we delve into the compassionate acts of Jesus Christ. We've witnessed water turn to wine and an abundance of fish by the sea. Now, let's unravel the miracle of Jesus healing a man born blind. Join me on this enlightening journey. Recap time. We've marveled at two miracles, water into wine and an abundance of fish. Now, our focus shifts to an extraordinary act of healing by Jesus. Prepare to witness the restoration of sight and the revealing of divine power. Imagine a man, born blind, seeking light in a world of darkness. Jesus' disciples questioned why he was born blind. Was it his sin or his parents? Jesus revealed a profound truth. His blindness was an opportunity for God's work to be revealed. A lesson unfolds, bringing light not just to his eyes but to our hearts. With a mix of mud and saliva, Jesus anointed the blind man's eyes and instructed him to wash in the pool of Siloam. As the man followed Jesus' guidance, a miracle transpired. His sight was restored. Witness the power of faith and compassion. Pause for a moment and share your reflections. Why was the man Jesus healed born blind? How did Jesus perform the miracle of healing the blind man? What were the reactions of the people upon seeing the blind man healed? What did the healed man courageously share with everyone? Let's unveil the miracle together. The man born blind was not destined for darkness due to sin, but to showcase the transformative power of God. Jesus, with compassion, used mud and saliva, anointed the man's eyes, and instructed him to wash in Siloam's pool. The blind man obeyed, and a radiant sight was bestowed upon him. A tale of darkness turned into light. Jesus' miraculous healing reveals the divine purpose within our challenges. Stay tuned for more miracles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let the light of compassion guide your path. Until next time, may your hearts be filled with the brilliance of divine miracles.